Welcome to our video on setting up a SWA connector for Jasper Reports Server Community Edition. Today, we're going to walk you through a quick and easy process to get your login fields ready for authentication. Let's dive right in. First up, head over to the Okta Admin console. Look for Applications, then select Applications again. In here, hit Browse App Catalog. Here, you'll want to search for and add the Template Plugin app. Next, you'll be asked to enter an app label. Just type in a name that makes sense for you. Now it's time to enter your login URL. Moving on to the username field, we need to pinpoint the CSS selector for the username in the login form. Here's how. Open your page inspector and highlight the username field. Then right-click and choose. Copy then CSS selector. Paste this selector back in the username field in Okta. For example, it might look something like J username. We're going to repeat these steps for the other fields. For the password field, it's @j password of sudo. And for the login button, use submit button. Almost done. Click next, then done. That's it. You've successfully created a SWA connector for Jasper Reports Server Community Edition using the Template Plugin app. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.